Students, my name is Jamie Van Beek and I want to welcome you to the course and tell you a little bit about myself. I love being a therapist. I can't tell you how much I love working with patients. I've worked in skilled nursing facility, I've worked in acute care hospital, I've worked in rehab, and I've worked in outpatient. My favorite is working with neuro rehab. Patients who've had a stroke or a head injury, MS, Parkinson's. I really enjoy working with those patients and seeing them improve. But I also like working with joint replacements, patients that have had hips and knees replaced. All patients are just challenging, exciting, and it's a wonderful job. You've made a great choice in going for physical therapy assistant. The reason I enjoy teaching is because I'm empowering you to go out and touch, heal, and make a difference in patients' lives. And that is so important to me. I started teaching at Whatcom Community College back in 2001, and am a tenured faculty here at Whatcom. And what I love is I can still work with patients and I can work with students at the same time. And to me, it's just the best of both worlds. The pictures you're seeing here are pictures from my classroom. Students are practicing on each other, as well as this is Chuck. I bring him in, and he's had a stroke, and I work with him so that you can see what a stroke looks like on a patient, not just reading it out of a textbook. This is the picture of my family here. We live in Ferndale. We live on a small farm with 5 acres. These are my beautiful, beautiful girls. I love my family. I love being outdoors. I'm an avid road bike rider and racer, and I love being outside and riding my bike as well. Some of the moments in my class that I really like the best are when things start to come together. This here is a class working with Martin, and Martin has a spinal cord injury. And he comes in and he talks to you in my class, and then we work and you guys watch me do some physical therapy on him. And it just helps bring physical therapy to life. This here is another picture of Chuck, and he's, like I said, he's had a stroke, and I'm working with him and the students are watching me, and we're talking about, so what's going on here? What deficits does he have? What exercises could we do that could really help Chuck? And I just love my job. What else can I tell you about me? PTA 101 is the very first class, and it's very basic. We're going to learn about the history of physical therapy. We're going to learn about some of the laws. We're going to learn about how to write documentation, which is very important. So it's a beginning class. It's the intro class. I'm paired up next to kinesiology, and I'll be honest with you, kinesiology is going to take a lot of your time. Kinesiology will take more time than my class, but that's all right. They're paired together that way for a reason, because kinesiology is a big class. And PTA 101 is more of a class that's just an introduction. We're just getting going, but you're gonna like it. I teach, oh gosh, around 6 to 8 classes in the online program. I teach at Whatcom Community College in a number of different programs. I teach anatomy, physiology to the medical assistant students. I teach to the physical therapy assistant students, both face-to-face, online, and hybrid. I also do some projects and do some work with the RN program and a couple other different programs at Whatcom. So I'm a busy gal, but what I do love is my job and working with students. So I'm very excited to be working with you this quarter and further quarters in the program. I'm always available if you need me. There's my email, there's my phone number. One of the things I try to be is very present for the online students. I know it feels like you're kind of out in no man's land away from us at the college, but I make myself available. So when you email me, you call me, I return your messages as soon as I possibly can. During the day, I'm usually teaching my face-to-face classes, but as soon as I'm done, I do check my phone, I do check my email, and return calls to you. I'm looking forward to working with you this year.